lot, but to us it's everything. As you met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kembe. Now, this may all look like a lot of old junk, but let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. Allow me to explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We look in abandoned places, forgotten outposts, battleground planets. And what we find, we bring here to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper would see nothing but worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. We all know the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. But we hear there is another. A new Jedi who was a scrapper like us. What's her name? Rey. And what she is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that is why you are here. To look ahead. And to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of the galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, for the saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let us begin. We start with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. For example, blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now we hear red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, beautiful and rare, like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. Today, we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes and picture it. What color is calling out to you? What color do you see in your mind's eye? What color is yours? Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. And remember, friends, that crystal may be choosing you.
This is really cool.
What? This is good. Boxes in front of you, you'll find all the components you need to construct your very own lightsaber. They've been arranged by our gatherers to facilitate this build. Now here you will find your chassis, your activation plates, your grips, your emitter, and your pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you have selected your kyber crystal, you will now select the individual pieces that make up your own unique lightsaber's design. Our gatherers are here to help. Follow their advice and instruction. Are you ready?
Yeah!
And And let's build.
Hello travelers, my name is Michael and I'm going to help you build tonight. We're going to start with our chassis. Go ahead and pick it up with one hand. You're going to make sure that the vents are pointed upward. You're going to take your kyber crystal at this time and we're going to lock it into the center of the chassis. To do this, there's a spring mechanism that you will hold upward with your thumb, and then with your other fingers you're going to lock it into place. When done correctly, friends, you should see a nice light illuminating from the vents as well as a sound resonating from the chassis. Happens all the time. And just like that, friends, when done correctly, you should see like it just like that, friend. If I may, I'm going to check the stability of your crystal. Almost there. What you want is for it to be completely straight so that it locks like that, and then you should be able to twirl it without it leaving its spot. Actually, let me take a look at it.
Okay, that bronze piece is going to go into right the center.
There you go.
Push it down.
So now what we're going to do, excellent, if I may, I'm going to check your crystal as well. Wonderful. So now what we're going to do, friends, is we're going to proceed to column number 5. We're going to choose a set of activation plates. You may choose either from the set above or below.
Remember, as you choose your component, trust your instincts.
No matter which set you choose, friends, you're looking for corresponding squares, red to red and blue to blue. And when these pieces come together, they form the switch.
All right, move on to your emitter. You can put it right there on the top.
Excellent, friend. And just make sure that the red and blue squares make contact.
Yeah, do the final step before we do that.
You don't want to do that. Just kidding. So yeah, let's go ahead and toggle that switch up and down just to test it out. Excellent. That's exactly what we wanted to hear, friends. And if I may, friends, go ahead and test out your switch as well. Go ahead and toggle that part up and down. Excellent. That's what we wanted to hear, friends. So now we're ready to proceed to columns 1 and 2. We're going to choose 2 of these 4 pieces to form the body of your hill. A quick hint I can give you is if you look down one end, you're going to see rings and ridges that will thread to the center of your hill. These can be configured to be the top or the bottom. And you can be oriented to what appeals to you.
Make sure you're using the wider side rems to go inside first.
So feel free to choose 2 of those 4 pieces.
The wider side.
It could either be like so, or if you want it to be at the top, you can be like so.
And then if you're ready,
that'll be up to you, friend. And then once you've gotten the orientation that you like, make sure that you turn them so that they tighten across the switch. So yeah, just make sure to turn it. Just keep twisting until it's tight.
You're not going to exactly let it go to this.
Once you've gotten the configuration that you like, you're going to now proceed to column number 3. You may choose either this piece or this piece. Please, you want to say
We can twist at the same time.
if I may, friend, I'm just going to take a look at that piece just to make sure we have that configured correctly.
No, you got to squeeze and twist at the same time.
There you are. And then what we do now is going to proceed to the emitter. This is going to be the top end of your hilt, and you may choose either this piece or this piece. Let's take a look here, friend. Sometimes it's
You got to squeeze and
extra.
twist at the same time.
A little extra.
Keep twisting until it tightens up.
There you are. Now we're going to choose your emitter. This is going to be the top end of your hilt. You may choose either this piece or that.
Go ahead and move on to column 3 for the
Kembe says to activate. You're going to hit that switch right there.
And last but not least, friend, you're going to choose the pummel cap. This is going to be the base of your hilt. You may choose either this piece or that piece.
And then you're going to flip your chassis upside down.
Very good. How do you feel? Yes, nice design. Very good. What led you to this design today?
Looks cool.
Good reason. Yes, it should look good to you. Should feel good to you.
Very nice. I love it.
This is a Brylock. We get that on the chassis. We trade for
Make sure it goes on straight, don't force
Very
it.
nice.
When Kembe says
The little
activate,
band leather on the grip.
Put it on straight.
Of course. Rank 4 too. Have you seen a rank 4? Yeah, terrible creature, right? Horrible breath. We wash the teeth before we do it.
No, go on straight.
Very nice design. Well done. Well done. Ah, very nice. How do you feel?
Flip it over.
What led you to this design today? Trusting your instincts. Yes, no, that's a good thing. Yes.
So
Because these are Sith.
activate. We're gonna activate.
You probably got a Sith temple on this one.
Activate.
Excellent, friend. As soon as it's nice and secure, if I may, I'm going to make one final inspection.
Well done.
Well done, friend. Congratulations on
Are
building
you
your
satisfied with the
As soon as Kempe says activating, you're going to lift up on the switch. When he says deactivating, you will lower it. And again, congratulations. We're going to wait for their
So when
instructions.
Kempe calls for you to activate, like
This is so worth the wait.
You should love it. Yes. Now this is a powerful saber. Are you ready for this kind of power?
Yes.
I believe you are. Very good. Well done. Well done. Very nice design. How do you feel? Yes? Well done, my friends. You have built the hilt of your lightsaber and nothing catastrophic has happened. That's good. But now I'm going to ask you all to please step back. Allow room for our gatherers, for it is time to stabilize our kyber crystals. Now, this must be done carefully by someone who is well trained and experienced, as our gatherers are. We do this to make sure that our kyber crystals are stable and our components are working in harmony. The last thing we want is a misfire, or an explosion, or another hole in my ceiling, which does happen quite a bit. That's why we take this precaution, to make sure that all of our components work well together. And I'm sure they will. Nothing to worry about. Oh, what's happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between saber and builder is about to be forged. My friends, in a moment I will invite you all to step forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber. Then, on my command, we will all activate our lightsabers together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then it is time. Step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Raise your lightsabers. Congratulations, my friends. You built a lightsaber like the Jedi or Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. It only takes one spark. Well done, my friends. Well done. Please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your newly built lightsabers, we are issuing you a saber sheath, which you can collect as you leave our workshop today. Well, my friends, our time has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. You are as unique and extraordinary as the sabers you have built. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy, for who knows next time, we may be telling your story. Raise and activate your lightsabers!